Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And we're here offering for sale an OEM Harley fender rear for a panhead. I believe this fender is really original for a 63 or 64 panhead. However, it will work on 58 to 72, I believe. Okay, if you look right here, this is nice and smooth. And the reason I was saying 63 or 64 is I believe that's what it fits. At one time, it had the bracket here where you had the buddy spring clamp hold down for the springs. So it looks like they bonded that in. So probably what they're doing was that they're probably putting it on a later model bike or something. The fender is really nice. Now on the back side here, they filled in two of the holes here for the rear strip. However, on the back here, I believe with these two holes right here, and these look like authentic holes, I think these holes here are for the turn signals. So, because I think in 62, I think they might have had them on the license plate or something, I'm not sure. But anyway, this fender is very solid. It's got the holes filled in as we showed. And I don't see any really huge damage here from the chain or anything like that. It's all pretty solid. Very solid. Greasy but solid. Okay, well thanks for looking. And we'll be offering this for sale, and possible local pickup is okay.